Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be going over three potential altcoins to buy in the month of October. Right now, in the past 24 hours, the market has been doing very well. It is up about 1.53%. If we take a look here, the top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be Shiba Inu. So Shiba is doing very well, up about 50% here in the past 24 hours. We knocked out another zero, guys, which is definitely a positive sign, but we'll get more into that at the end of the video. Now, the highest volume is Bitcoin, like usual, about 34 billion right there on the volume. It is up about 2.92%, trading around this 49,000 area. We have Ethereum trading around this 3,400 area. It's pretty much been flat in the past 24 hours, as many of these other altcoins are pretty much flat as well. But we have Doge also making a momentum on play up here with the Shiba as well. We have Terra up about 8%, and then obviously some of these other coins are up about 2 or 5% depending on which one we're looking at, with some outliers that are on the downside as well. That is something that we always see in the marketplace. So before we get into this crypto video, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And leave a comment below which crypto are you buying in the month of October. Now let's get into it, guys. The first one, you guessed it, it's going to be Shiba, the top gainer right there. So Shiba Inu has been performing very, very well right here. So this one is up about 49.88%. Massive momentum on up. We cut out a zero pretty much. So this was trading at around 0.0000825 just about 24 hours ago, and now we actually went up here to highs of about just stop all the zeros, just say 1540 at the end. Now it's at 1278. Performing very well in the past week. This one's actually up 83%. It was up over 100% at one point here at the high that we saw. And then obviously on the 1 month chart, we're up 71.4%. And then on the 1 year chart, over 10,980%. Right here, this was huge move right here for Shiba, where we're trading around 200% higher than it is right now. So there is news behind this one. And what is the news? Well, you guessed it. Elon Musk is always involved. So Shiba Inu coin jumped and deleted a zero after a tweet from Elon Musk sent Dogecoin spinoff surging. So basically, Elon Musk went and tweeted a photo of his Shiba Inu pup, Floki, causing Shiba to trend on Twitter. The altcoin is up huge, obviously, in the past year or so, but this momentum definitely caused it to push on higher here in the past 24 hours. And this could be a sign of a momentum play for Shiba Inu, and it's gonna be an interesting one that we watch for the near future. Now, we definitely talked about Shiba about a month and a half ago, actually, in one of our videos, that it was performing very well. And if you actually take a look at here in the past month, it's been performing very well. So if you guys missed out on that video, stay subscribed so you don't miss out on content like that. Now this one is at a 5 billion market cap. Now if we compare that to Dogecoin, which is another meme coin that is pretty much worthless, just like Shiba is, Dogecoin is worth 30 billion right now. So there's about a 5 to 6x potential for Shiba just to catch up back to where Doge is. So I would not be surprised if Shiba Inu was trading at around another 100% profit, maybe even 200% profit in the near future. I would not be surprised if that happened. Volume here in the past 24 hours is up over 700% almost at 5.2 billion. Our typical hold time is 14 days. Trading activity, 81% buy activity, 19% sell, and then the popularity is ranked the number 25 coin. So what is Shiba? Shiba is a token that aspires to be an Ethereum-based alternative coin to Dogecoin. Now, the popular meme coin, unlike Bitcoin, which is designed to be scarce, Shiba is intentionally abundant with a circulating supply of 1 quadrillion. The Shiba Inu token ecosystem supports projects such as an NFT art incubator and the development of a decentralized exchange called ShibaSwap. How does all this work? Well, because Shiba is issued as an Ethereum token, it's compatible with the vast, Ethereum ecosystem. Advantages include compatibility with Ethereum wallets like Coinbase wallet or MetaMask, availability on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, the potential for Shiba to be incorporated into the ETH-based DeFi applications like lending and saving products in the NFT marketplace as well. Now, Shiba, unlike Doge, is compatible with the Ethereum ecosystem, which is obviously a positive thing, which has allowed the community to create crypto apps like ShibaSwap, a DEX that allows users to trade and stake tokens without an intermediary. Now, in the future, the Shiba community plans to release an NFT platform and DAO-based governance system for the Shiba ecosystem called Doggy DAO. So that's something that's interesting right there. But this one is a momentum play that we're going to be watching in the month of October. Could we potentially have another meme coin like we had with Doge at the beginning of the year explode on higher and higher? It's definitely a possibility here. It's going to be interesting to see what Shiba does in the month of October, but we're going to keep our eyes peeled and watch it very, very carefully, guys. So that's our first altcoin. Second altcoin on this list is going to be FTX token right here. So this one, if we take a look here in the past 24 hours, it is up about 0.68%, trading at $56. In the past week, we're up about 8% on this coin. In the past month, we're down almost 8%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 1,482% from $3.47 to highs of about $60, pulled back down to lows of 22, and then shot on higher to all-time highs at over 85 once again. So it's performing very well in the recent times. Market cap is actually a little bit higher than Shiba. It's at 6.8 billion market cap right now. Volume is pretty much flat. It's like the usual volume that we're seeing. All-time high, like we said, at $85. And right now, this coin is performing very well with a little bit of a pullback now, but we're trading at prices that we were trading at here in August. So we might see a little bit of a consolidation as long as volume continues to stay here or could pick up a little bit. We might see another continuation on higher, which would be nice to see if we can break through that all-time high in the future and potentially get closer to that $100 range. So there's about a 85 to 90% upside before we get to that area. And it's definitely something that we're going to be interested in, obviously, in the month of October and towards the end of 2021 to see how this one is going to perform. Market cap still under 10 billion, so it definitely has potential. I mean, if we went up about 100%, we would still be at around 13 billion market cap, which is nothing, out of the realm, I guess you could say. I mean, it is a little bit higher, but it's compared to some of these other altcoins that have rallied to 20, 30, 40, 50 billion market cap, this coin still has a lot more potential. So that's going to be our second altcoin on the list, and then the third altcoin on the list is going to be Filecoin. So Filecoin is trading at $69 right now. It is up about almost 2% in the past 24 hours. 18% almost in the past week, and then on the 1 month chart we're down about 27% from highs here of over $120, hitting lows of about 50, and now we're seeing a little bit of upside. Now this one, in the past year, it's up 234%. It was trading under 20, hit highs here in March actually at 237, and then actually fell down to about 40. And now we're a little bit of upside, but we're very, very far away from that all-time high. We're about 200% plus upside here just to get back to the all-time highs. Market cap at 7.6 billion, volume pretty much the same as usual, 1.1 billion. Typical hold time on this coin is 13 days. Our trading activity for this one is going to be 39% buy, 61% sell. So it actually is a little bit more selling activity on this one. Now, Filecoin is a cryptocurrency that powers the Filecoin network, a decentralized peer-to-peer file storage network that aims to let anyone store, retrieve, and host digital information. File tokens are used as payment for these services as an economic incentive to ensure files are stored reliably over time. Now, Filecoin aims to provide a faster, cheap, and more reliably distributed infrastructure for storing and retrieving data. It functions as a marketplace where developers can rent storage space, similar to a traditional cloud storage, but instead of trusting one provider with your files, they're splitting up and served by a globally distributed network of computers. Now, the Filecoin network uses two types of miners: storage miners who store the data, and retrieval miners who supply the bandwidth to use to retrieve the files. Now, the communication between the clients and the network happens via two types of deals: storage and retrieval deals. Now, in the storage deal, the client chooses a miner to store their data and locks up the funds necessary to pay for storage. Once the agreement is accepted, the file is transferred and stored by the miner. Now, the miner provides continuous proof of storage to the chain in order to receive rewards from the funds locked up by the client. If they fail to provide a proof, the miner gets penalized. Now, in a retrieval deal, the client makes a payment to a retrieval miner to extract the data from the network. These deals are executed off-chain using micropayment channels to reward miners for the data retrievals. Now, keep in mind, anyone with a compatible computer can start mining FIL coins by becoming a storage provider, making their hard drive space available for use by the network in return for rewards. Mining configuration can range from a single desktop computer to a large-scale, server farm. So, definitely interesting to see how Filecoin is going to perform in the future as well. And can we break through those all-time highs once again in the near future? 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now, we could definitely be hitting new all-time highs at around a 20 billion market cap, and I would not be shocked at all. That's something that we're going to be looking forward to. Hopefully, those predictions can happen at all-time highs once again in the future. I feel like this coin is a little bit lagging behind the market as these other altcoins are rallying. So Filecoin, definitely want to be watching in the near future, guys. So those are the three altcoins that we're going to be looking at. Now, what is the rest of the market doing? Let's take a look first at the meme, guys, Doge. So just like Shiba, Doge has been performing here very well in the past 24 hours, up about almost 8%. In the past week, almost 20%. And then on the 1 year chart, or 1 month chart, we are down about 20%, but on the 1 year chart, up over 9,000%. Doge is making a little bit of a comeback. I know I've been talking a lot of trash about Doge, but it is making a little bit of a comeback, which is nice to see. After a while, we've been just hammered and pummeled down. So it is nice to see it, playing off of that Shiba momentum, 31.5 billion volume or market cap actually. So like we said, Shiba has a long way to get back to up there, but I would not be surprised if that happens in the near future as well. So next, we have Bitcoin. Market cap is rising on slowly here in the past 24 hours. We're up 3%. In the morning on Monday, when the stock market opened, it crashed down to about under 47,000 and then came back up throughout the day going into, Tuesday morning here, trading around this 49, almost 50,000 area. In the past week, we're up 14%. Past month, we're flat almost. And then on the 1 year chart, 362%. So obviously, this coin was trading sideways, pulled back up a little bit, then came back down heavily, and now we recovered after the whole China FUD. Now, market cap on this one, 927.6 billion, which is around 30% of the crypto marketplace right now. Volume is picking up 31% higher than usual. 56% buy activity, 44% sell activity. Bitcoin's doing very well. Ethereum trading at the same level as we were trading at pretty much yesterday, trading sideways. In the past week, we're up 16% though. In the past month, down about 12%. And then on the 1 year chart, 858% higher. So this coin, kind of exploded here on higher from this 3,300 area to over 4,000. Pulled back down to about 2,700. Now we're seeing a little bit of comeback, slow, nice and steady wins the race, guys. So almost 400 billion market cap right now, which is around 13% of the crypto market. Volume is picking up 18% higher than usual. We have our trading activity at 57% buy, 43% sell, and obviously typical hold time is 83 days on Ethereum. But Ethereum and Bitcoin, performing very well, and a lot of these altcoins are starting to rally on higher as well. We're going to be very, very interested to see what's going to happen in the rest of October. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Is crypto going to continue to boom in the month of October, or are we going to see a little bit of sideways action, or even potentially a downward trend with earnings coming up soon in the stock market and different things happening right now with the market selling off? Like the Nasdaq was selling off heavily, about 2.5%, I believe, on Monday, and the Dow was down about 1.5% or so. So the market is pulling back a little bit, but crypto is staying strong, so that's definitely a positive for us. So smash that like button, guys, for more content like this. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so this is all for entertainment purposes only. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand the high risk, high reward type of situation you're getting into before investing.